Alright, we are entering Shivapuri, Nagarjun Park. Sangbo's taking me in. And there are animals, look at that. Powdered leopard, Himalayan black bear, leopard cat. So there's bears in Kathmandu, by the way, guys. So Gomba is 1 hour on foot, and then there's a bunch of other. Shivapuri is 3 hours on foot. So we took the shortcut. It's going to lead us to Gomba, Nagarjun. Pretty cool. Nice khata there. Some idiot put a khata there again. We're not going to give up. Such a beautiful landscape, and there's trash here. Look at all this trash. There's already a trash pit here. That's Nepal for you. There's a helipad here. Goodness. The helicopter can land here. And then, what an irony, look at that. It says take nothing but memories, leave nothing but footprints, and then there's all trash that side. We are right in the dense forest. It's just like an hour from Kathmandu. Actually just half an hour from Bauda. And it's this dense here. The air is so much cleaner. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. What was it? Shivapuri Nagarjuna National Forest. We reached Gomba. There's some stairs which takes us up. And let's see. It's pretty nice. Oh, we've entered. We finally entered. This is the last stretch to go to Gomba. And look, the Gomba's there. Here is the main Gomba. This is in Shivapuri Nagarjuna National Park. We are in Gomba here. This is how the Gomba is. It's beautiful. And we'll now try to go up that hill to Shivapuri. They say it'll take 2 hours, but we're gonna do it. Alright. This is on the way to Shivapuri from the Gomba. And as usual, there's prayer flags. And we're taking these stairs. More stairs. Looks like it's going to be stairs all the way till Shivapuri. Never ending stairs. This stair is pretty long. It goes all the way there. Look at that. Oh my god. Beautiful tree just stuck. These mushrooms. And thank God we are now in a trail without stairs. These trees are full of moss. The moss. It's a bit like Evil Dead. It's pretty amazing, these trees filled with moss. It's just so lush and green. We are still 1.5 hours from Shivapuri, but we hiked an hour from Gomba, and it just gets more dense and dense. Beautiful. Must do in Kathmandu, man. Must do in Kathmandu. I would say this and Phulchowki, you got to do it. So looks like, not sure if we passed Shivapuri, but we are somewhere near Shivapuri peak, and this is called Bagh Dwar. Literally a religious site. It's really empty. And maybe Shivapuri is up there, but we're going to head back. Maybe somebody can post a better route about Shivapuri, but pretty interesting here. Water flowing. Oh, oh, yeah, Shivapuri is another 25 minutes.
Yeah, so let's go.
So this,
Yeah.
this way. So we're on the right track.
Yeah.
All right. So that's good. Yeah, let's do it. So at the most half an hour.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, let's get whatever's here.
Yeah. I'm glad we were reminded.
Thing. When you are hiking to Shivapuri, and if you don't see signs for Shivapuri, you go to Bagdwar, and from there you see Shivapuri Peak. It's 25 minutes. It's from there. You take that stairs up to Shivapuri. So there's a Tibetan Gomba here on the way to Shivapuri. So when you reach this part towards the end of the trek, you're like 10 minutes away from Shivapuri. So be happy when you see this place. This tree trunk under this roof. So relieving to see a sign which says Shivapuri is only 400 meters. So we're not going to stop, we'll just go straight 400 meters. We made it to Shivapuri Peak, and we're at altitude 2732 meters, and there's more mandirs here. Tinchuli, another 10 minutes, Bagwar, Pani Mohan. So we're going to check out till that. There, the white things there, the prayer flags, and see what that is. Otherwise, that's it. We're the peak of Shivapuri. The downside of this is we can't really see the view of the valley this side or that side because it's just very forested. Unless you go on that rock there, bro. There's something there. Oh yeah, there's like a little canopy there. You can sit there, and I'm sure we'll see the valley. Oh, somebody's there. Oh, I think it's a statue. I thought there was some hiker there. But anyway, it's a Sunday today, and the only people we saw were two hikers coming down. And there you go, there's a statue there. It's not a person, but I'm sure we'll have a view. Is there a good view from there, bro? Keep rolling the camera. Keep rolling. There it is. There it is. It's a beautiful sight here. Open area, bro. Sad to see trash everywhere, you know, in Nepal. It's the best place in Kathmandu here, and there's trash. Anyway. Alright, here's the peak. But Sangbo says that we missed the mountain view from here. That's the Langtang range there. And it's just been a foggy day, so we can't see the Langtang range. But it's beautiful. Here's a 360 degrees view of the top of Shivapuri. There's a little statue there and prayer flags.